Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 25th of February. And first of all, national news. Khalistan supporters target Indian honorary consulate in Australia, a report said. Air India's massive hiring plan days after historic order for jets. Meghalaya elections, PM Modi held road show in Shillong. Germany to pursue submarine deal during Chancellor's India visit, a report said. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz will be in India during February 25 to 26. Ex-Supreme Court Judge Abdul Nazir took oath as Andhra Pradesh governor. The Tirupati temple in Andhra Pradesh will soon roll out the facial recognition system for the devotees. Centre asked to look into claims of closure of Provident Fund accounts of Patna judges. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken to travel to India on March 1 for G20 meeting. Now international news. Activists placed destroyed tank outside Russian embassy in Berlin. Ukraine allies mark invasion anniversary with slew of sanctions on Russia. UK PM Sunak hailed Ukraine's courage on anniversary of Russian invasion. China claimed US refused to share information on downed balloon. Ukraine's Zelensky said 2023 year of victory in war anniversary message. Russian spacecraft took off to bring back 3 stranded astronauts from space. Onion shortest threatened new chapter in world food crisis. At G20, India avoided mention of war while US slammed Russian officials. G20 leaders to tally global economic damage on Ukraine war anniversary. Russia-China advancing a world vision fundamentally at odds with UN Charter. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken to travel to India on March 1 for G20 meeting. US South Korea hold tabletop drills on North Korea's nuclear threat. UN demanded Russia withdraw from Ukraine. And now some sports news. We stand with you, Jay Shah, after Team India suffered heartbreaking defeat in Women's T20 World Cup semi-final. Ministry unhappy with top wrestlers for skipping international meets. Indian Ravin Zain is the new Ferrari F1 team's head of strategy. Harry broke a rare 30-year-old record held by Vinod Kamble. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty fell for straight sixth day. Fed rate high concern way. Forex reserve hit 11-week low of $561.26 billion. G20 meeting. Finance Minister discussed debt vulnerabilities, sustainable finance. Gujarat Budget 2023 rupees 3 lakh crore budget unveiled, no new taxes. Trade pact with European Union may take longer to conclude, Piyush Goyal. Law Tribunal state insolvency proceedings against G Entertainment. Allocation to agriculture budget raised over rupees 1.25 lakh crore now, PM Modi. Uncertainty lies ahead. G20 nations must address debt distress, RBI Governor. PM Modi called for G20 to focus on unsustainable debt. Facebook, Instagram roll out paid subscription in Australia, New Zealand. And now news from science and technology. Electronics breakthrough. Scientists generated shortest electron burst yet. Russia launched rescue Soyuz spacecraft to the space station. NASA SpaceX Crew 6 flight crew and launch teams ready for countdown dress rehearsal. And that's all in news. Thank you.